Attempt number 3. I don't think we're getting it today after that. I'm still absolutely stunned that we were one pattern off Lego. Oh, another one! Another one. Unfortunately, not the correct pattern. What have we got?
21.
I'm already happy with the result. Let's get it. How are we hitting all of these, dude? How are we hitting all of these? It's definitely not a blue gem, but that's super sick. How are we doing this? What's the pattern? It is 550. These StatTrak AK-47 case hardeners in Factory New seem to be selling for decent amounts as well, like nearly the cost of the entire trade up. And our very, very final contract, I highly doubt we're hitting an AK-47 case hard. We've got ridiculously lucky, and we got surprisingly close to the pattern. Not quite as close as I had originally thought. Let's get it. This is the time. 25% once again, and then the 661. Boom. Thought I'd see this guy eventually.